Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can on and off the flashlight at the Samsung Galaxy M30 and M30s. So it's very simple, so just scroll down here and here you have the symbol for the torch or the flashlight. If you tap it, it is on, and if you tap it again, it is off. So very simple. And there's another feature you can have with this flashlight. So if you scroll down again, you have now below the flashlight here the written word flashlight, or maybe in your language torch. Tap it and now you can, if the flashlight is on, change the brightness, so you can make it more bright or less bright. So a nice tool. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. Yeah, or maybe until next time. Ciao.